guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing this face, welcome. I'm Anita Mgiani, and please do not leave without subscribing and joining our beautiful family. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for your continuous support. I really appreciate it. So today is a Friday, the 21st of November. Phambili wafaz national shutdown. Yes. Oh guys, I woke up so emotional because I've been thinking ndobana delwazi ukuthi abafana sibenzeni Nkosi yami. Habe ma abafana sibenzeni, thousands and thousands zabafazi nabantwana dying in the hands of abantu ababathembileyo, abantu ababathandayo. Nje kwenzeka ntoni? And I think sidinga uthandaza le into ingalisithandaza kancinci. We really need to qina emthandazweni, because there's no way into bana abantu basuleka kabuhlungu kanje, abafazi, the rape. Guys, kuningi. That's why I'm wearing black. Ndihlonipha usuku namhlanje because yeah man, I'm going to work. Phofu andiyosebenza ofisini, content submit rent back, and then ndibuye usuku lami zokwazi liphele namhlanje because it's a Friday man. Kuningi ngalento iyi-1 yamadoda killing abafazi. Guys, I think I saw quote ethi into bana umuntu wesifazana uphumla kwicasket, uba safe kwicasket. And yeah, South Africa sisiziva umuntu osulekileyo usafe kunathi sehla senyuko, because uphuma endlini awazi uba ujongene nantoni, kuzokwenzeka ntoni. You just have to pray that okay God, ndicela ukuba ndibuye ndi-right, because everywhere lento yokubulawa kwabafazi nabantwana iyenzeka. You can't dodge it. Uthi hayi ndizohlala endlini mna andizoya ndawo. Endlini uzobulawa ngulo omthembileyo, the person that you love and trust the most uzobulawa nguye. Outside usemsebenzini Nkosi yami, awenzi nezinto eziphuma ecaleni. Usemsebenzini ubadriver awumazi ukwenza ntoni. Nje guys, ayikho indawo safe kuyo ngaphandle wecasket. Inyanisile quote, ayikho indawo safe kuyo bakwethu. But can we just hope that everything is alright, impilo ibuyele back to normal. Sithembe uThixo pofake kwenye into esithile, sithembe uThixo because le into i-beyond izandla zomuntu. We cannot say hayi sithembe ubani buzosilwela. I-beyond izandla zomuntu le into. We just thembile uThixo because le inosathana, inenkunzi malanga yosathana into sana. But then andizanga kuzoba yi-GBV activist apha kanje. I'm just sharing ukhathazeka kwami about abantu besifazana, because now I'm also a female. Anything can happen to me anytime. So yeah guys man, let's just hope and pray that uThixo uzongenelela nje. So yeah guys, I'll take you guys with me as I always take you with me xa ndiya emsebenzini. Kodwa akonzoveza into ecaba kuyasetyenzwa yonke laa nto, because I've been vlogging into edibanise nokuya emsebenzini. Inoba nanisenihlela la, noma senihlelwe la. So yeah guys, let me go. I'm just wearing this. I'll show you the OOTD 2-piece black. With the windows down, it's about 70 degrees, yeah. The wind's blowing on me. Today my mind was racing, I can't even fake it. Oh no. Today was a rough day, my mind already. Hi guys, sendiphuma ngo-Randburg. Kuzokwenza into benzoyenza. I'm going to Diepon. No, I'm done for the day. One thing about me, I will eat shame and get nje. So yeah, I'm waiting for you open up. So yeah. Come
say this. Lord, we need a blessing coming down from heaven. Oh no, yeah, we know you know everything that we need, but I'm still lonely. 'Cause today was a rough day. My mind is somewhere. Found that it's okay to sometimes not be okay. So when I call on Yahweh, can you swing my way? Can you swing my way? 'Cause my mind's telling me that I need to believe in what I see was right in front of me. I choose to call on you. Yeah, I know you see me through.
Hi guys, yo. Another day, another shit in hole. Smaller nyana hole. A friend yami ithe ba sesitori while ndiqhaqa ithe ba chomi kha ed man phawashi in ngicela uklerisha ikhathi yakho yomntana nje encanyana nje kha ed chomi aqonda ba utsho kubani say no more Sithandwa. Hayi ke sana ndenza njalo and bandla ifriend yami yaklerisha ikhathi bethuna naye banejomi ezifana noviwe apha empilweni. That's my best friend. Iba nejomi ezinjalo. So ndizoqala nge-first item nale into music awuzovakala na because ngikhala music kwa-neighbor qala ngezi-things guys. Bathi friendship is such a beautiful concept. Ndivumelana nabo i-3 piece ke iyo my lord. Ishodi iskindi maenga khodla uveze thigh iskindi yema netop yakhona. Hey ntombi idlana kamamaka le. Ngizoba umntana kulo December is this color, and then we have this color. Lena ke andiyazi but it's giving pajamas. Nalena bethunana ya ngoba ngosize bana ezizinto khona go 3 to 6 months ya go 3 to 6 months basana abancinci man. Yeah, and then set of 3 le, the last set bele. Zona shem zinayendawo yokunika isipijama. Hey, ngifuna uposes. I'm not happy but it's okay. They beyitop yakhona. So ziphuma zizezi 3. Ziphuma ngile set of 3 ke. Let's set of 3. And this is the last haul for the year between Nangek. No. And then the next one. Betuna. Mntanam, nanso into ezilangazelela ke emhlabeni. Oh, I love it, Shem. Igown bethuna ntombi yile gown mama gale. Igown ayincinci uzokhole umphume kodwa le. Igown nali bhanti lakhona. Yeah, nali bhanti lakhona. Which this fancy accessory. Hey, kanje man. Nali bhanti lakhona. Ndiyalithanda man, ngithanda nezindlebe. Ndiyithanda le gown. Kunindibona umntana wami negown qonda yo. Sana igown ngiyayifuna. Igown yona I want it. Then ke Auntie Viwe came through. Bethuna. Friendship. Aisha. I'm really blessed friendship wise. Yo sana. Gown yomntana le. Gown yomntana kadlana le. Gown ka pumpkin ka mama ka le. Yes, on a girl. And then the next thing, I think this is the last item for umntana. Yeah, mntana ndifuna ke le nozi yenke. Ilafulafu ngendlela bendifuna ngayo. Le rompa. Kanti iqosha izinyawo enenyawo kanti kodwa Jehova. Yeah, nayo inendlebe. You. It's purple. Nansi ke. Sana ndiyeba nokufaka ilento zana, i-pictures okanye ii-codes mandenza yonke le nto. Yeah, and then I got this. Hayibo angavuleki ngoku. This dress. Oh, it's so beautiful. Ooh, Lord. Praise. Oh, that's another quality. Oh my Lord. Nindifuna look red. Nanti ke guys, and I love the fact that iyanwebeka. So inweba phezulu. So umqolo wami awuzumpintsha amabele kabuhlungu. Hlale kahle nje. Oh guys, I can't wait for this dress. Bengcimbi short, but then ke nam I'm short. So yeah, I'm gonna be sexy. Apha ku red wam. Apha kule red number. Ndiyithanda shem. And then I think and then kube yile. Hey, I pray kuthiwa yiyo ke le into because ndifuna unxiba somewhere next week. Ayishushu. Hayi ke ngoku ayishushu. Ndifuna unxiba somewhere next week ngathi inkulu nje. Oh, hayi sana. Right kodwa. Nansi ke this thing. Ndifuna unxiba nee-pants ezi-black and then black heel because khona bafuna ndiyakhona next week for work. So yeah, Shem, I'm happy. Happy ngayo ndiyithanda. Ndi-eating isizathu because bendiyazi that yeah. Sana, the emails I'm receiving lately, life changing, Sana. Life changing. You know, the last item. This is others. Dulo vanina. Just yeah. Ubkosti bami ndiyabazi. Zizokuthiwa ke phandle zibanjanjani nosendlini zibanjanjani. Yeah, zizo ke ezi. I just wanna look serious. Ngifuna uba serious ndiyazithanda shem. I love them so much. And then that's it guys. Nansi ke Shein haul yam. You guys know I love it. You know what? Ndiyazithanda shem. I look so bad apha entloko sana. But you never mind that. So yeah guys, that's all of the Shein haul yam. So yeah, ndizambona ngelinye imini because ayo end vlog le ayipheli vlog abisazoqhubelekeka. So yeah guys. Oh no guys, ndiyazithanda these bags. I look so serious like okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing this pretty face, welcome. I'm Anessa again, and please do not leave without subscribing and joining our beautiful family. To the listening, thank you so much guys for your support. I really appreciate it. And that's my vlog when I vlog. If you're in the vlog, it's day 2 of the vlog or day 3 of the vlog. Do not forget to subscribe. Oh, Betuna, please. If not for me, do it for my baby. Do it for my pumpkin. Okay. This all introduce. This also that today is it's a Friday. Oh, it's a Friday. The reason why I'm confused is because bende emsebenzini and nge Fridays ndidla kusebenzela ekhaya. So ndibuthuka ukuba ngolwesingaphi namhlanje. Ndikurush ke then that's why I did this video, the vlog. Yo. Sana andiyazi ntoni ngam, but ke yeah, I'm going out with my friend for drinks Shem because it's a Friday. Sana andiyazi ntoni look about then yeah. See out in the show yam and I'm so excited because I look so good. It's 4:30 and yeah. See I'm wearing this red dress bengina idayindendani yase Shein. Yes, I'm so tired. Yase Shein benithe a friend yam. So yeah, I look so good. I will take pictures ke namhlanje so zeka look. I look so good. 3 months postpartum. I look so good. So yeah guys, sizothetha maneko hambeni kwethuba. Yeah, and also I think after drinks sizongena emall because yi-Black Friday, so we have to check bakhona ezilexosha singaphuma nayo. And ke yeah, and this time uba ndixosha into ndifuna ukuphumela nam ke loo nto ngumntwana, ndiyazalwa kwaDlamini, ndiyazalwa nkosi yam. Andisoloko ndithengelana nopumpkin umphela okokoko, no. Nam I have to spoil myself. Yebo. So yeah guys, i-Uber isilenzile ngoku, so yeah. And that's why ivakala na i-noise background because khalisa umculo.